I typically say is there anything else that you would like to tell me that would convince me that you'll be a good fit with our company? That's the opportunity to kind of bring out some of the things that you are particularly proud of, that you think that would be a good indicator that you'd be good for the company, but you haven't gotten the chance to really express yet. And so this is, again, much like the beginning of the interview, that opportunity is yours to basically take it and say, here are the things that I really think, that you should really be focusing in on me about for this company.
I think there are a few reasons that I would fit really well with your company. First of all, I am very motivated. For example, coming to Ohio State, I knew I wanted to do accounting and business and worked really hard to get involved in the business school. But while here, realized my interest in health, global health, or just healthcare here in the United States. And so I took initiative to get involved volunteering at the hospital, joining the healthcare cluster here at Ohio State. I have a project at Nationwide Children's, and I'm actually working at the hospital as well. So combining business with my own passion has really been very beneficial to me and has given me great experiences and opportunity, and that's something that I could only have through being self-motivated and really chasing after my passions and dreams and working hard to combine those. So I think my motivation would serve me well working for you because I would follow what I am passionate about in the company and would work really hard to get things done in the best way possible. Another reason I think that I would be a really good fit for your company is that I'm very honest and stick to my ethics and integrity. For example, last year, or my freshman year, Barnes & Noble here charged me twice for an economics book. And so I told them that I only bought it once, could they please remove the extra charge? And they actually removed both charges. So I had an economics book that I wasn't paying for. And so I emailed them and told them, no, I really do have one book, just not two. And so that was $115 some that they did end up charging me, but that's what was right. So I took care of that with